I wanted to talk a little bit about why Coors Original is a far superior beer than Coors Light. For starters, the crisp, clean taste of it is much better than any other beer out there. Now, Fortunately, we have a solution for an issue like this, and that is the Mountain Hatch Tailgate Insert. These were designed to work on a variety of trucks, but the one we have here is for a second or third gen 2005 plus Toyota Tacoma. As you can see, this is a completely flat surface. That is designed to replace the factory jagged surface, which is great for cooking. It turns it into an immediate picnic table, really anything else you can see it used for. Now, this is constructed out of 1/2-inch thick, heavy-duty, FDA-approved plastic. It's got UV inhibitors, so it's fade resistant over time. One other thing to note is it will use all factory bolts, so there's no hardware included. You will see there are pre-drilled holes. It's as simple as taking out your old tailgate insert and replacing it with the factory bolts. If you have any questions about the Mountain Hatch tailgate inserts or any other product we carry, feel free to reach out to us at truckbrigade.com.